How to write an email message in Horde. This tutorial assumes that you've already logged into Horde webmail. Now let's learn how to write and send an email message. Click the Mail menu. Then click New Message. This is where you write or compose a new email message. You can simply type the email address you want to send your message to here in the To field. If the email address is saved in the address book, it will auto-populate the matching options. Let's copy this message to someone else as well by adding their address in the CC field. Now let's add a subject to the message. Type the body of the message here. When finished, click the Send button. That's it. The email has been sent. Now select the Sent folder. You can see the message we just sent shown here in the Sent folder. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to write and send email messages with Horde webmail.